what I have is determine sine of theta divided by 2. So in this case, ladies and gentlemen, I say theta over 2 is pi over 8. So again, we need to know the formula before we go any further. So sine of theta divided by 2 equals the square root of 1 minus the cosine of theta divided by 2. Right? So that means to evaluate this problem, I need to know what the cosine of theta is. Right? And is there any constraints on this? OK, so it's going to be positive to go through. So now I need to evaluate the constraints of this. So I need to figure out what theta is. Well, we know theta over 2 is pi over 8. So to find theta, multiply by 2 on both sides. And I can say theta equals pi over 4. Right? Does everybody see? I don't know, 48, 45 or something. So I have theta equals pi over 4. So now I need to evaluate for the square root of 1 minus the cosine of pi over 4 divided by 2. So again, I need to say, all right, well, what's the cosine of pi over 4? Pi over 4 is in the first quadrant. Therefore, I know this is going to be a positive square root, which is square root of 2 over 2, comma, square root of 2 over 2. The cosine is my x value, which is square root of 2 over 2. So therefore, this equals 1 minus the square root of 2 over 2 divided by 2. And again, we want to do the exact same thing like I did in the last problem. Last problem, I had a denominator of 17. This one, I have a denominator of 17. What's wrong, Will? It's the same thing over and over, isn't it? Yes. That's our goal, is to do these in our sleep by now. So you guys see the patterns. So then we multiply these. 2 minus the square root of 2 over 4. OK? Now I can break this up, and I can take the square root of my denominator, but I cannot take the square root of my numerator. So therefore, my final answer is going to be the square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 all over 2. Or you could rewrite that as 1/2 in front. Is multiply. That's fine. Sometimes, a lot of times, we're not going to want to write an answer as a fraction. So you might see an answer like on a test, if it was multiple choice, as rewritten as 1/2. So make sure you know that they're equivalent. OK? That's a problem.